partnered up with builders a few weeks ago to turn my bathroom into a spa sanctuary, and this is what I did. I painted one side of the wall white and also repainted the ceiling. I added 2 shelves and styled them, added a feature wall, added this gorgeous round mirror which they customized for me, some wall art. I changed the curtains from grey to white just to make sure a lot of light comes through during the day. I also got this bath caddy. I did a second feature wall and put wall art on it as well. And as promised, I changed the bathroom mats. These are so comfortable. I walk around the bathroom barefoot just to get that comfy feeling. I also got a nice bamboo lid bin. I changed my soap dispenser and tumbler, and that's basically what I did. If like me you have a limited budget but also want to revamp your bathroom, get to builders and get it done.